This is John. Today I'm going to teach you two approaches to locate the row number and the column number of a cell in a very big matrix. So the first one will be using a super table, and the second one will be using a code that gives you a spotlight effect. Let's get started. The first approach is to apply a super table. I have showed you in my previous video. Select all the table and then Control T, and now it's converted into a super table. So each row has a different color than its adjacent rows, but the column has the same fashion and style, which is not easy to identify, especially in a very big matrix. I'm using a small one in this example. Now we have a code that I will be able to show description of this video. Go to Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Pick up the last one and put it equal, and then paste the code. Go to Format, go to Fill, and pick up a color you like to fill. And we can also go to the font, pick up bold for the font, and then click OK. C3 cell was picked and the format of its column and rows have changed. Let's go to E7, F10, E8, E5, and F10. You see that's changed. When you click on a new cell, you need to press F9 or Shift F9 to refresh. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell. Feel free to leave your comments. I'll see you guys next time.